Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing our hair again. We're on a good run. So today's wig is from Ashimary. Today's wig is a little different. I opted for some color because I just been wanting to try new stuff. So I got a blonde wig, but it has highlights. It has a lot going on. So I did this already before, but I'm just gonna show you again. So in the box you get wig cap, lashes, an edge brush, a wig band, which we might need. They also put a little mini flat iron in here. I have a little razor, which I might also use too on the hair. And then these sticky tabs, I guess is if you wanted to like stick your lace down, but I'm not doing that. We also have a wig, a bonnet, and then a robe, I'm sure. I have a bunch of these now. So the wig that I have is this brown body wave textured wig in a 4x4. You can get like 13x6 or 13x4, but I like a closure style wig because you guys know we can't do all that. So I wanted to spice things up and try a blonde wig. I already tried this wig on initially out the package.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back.
I ended up washing it with purple shampoo because I felt like it needed a little toning. So this is what it looks like air dried. I'm gonna put it on first so you guys can see how it looks on me without doing anything to it. Of course, all I did was wash it with some purple shampoo. So I'm going to put the wig on so you guys can see what it looks like before I add some makeup to the lace. So different, I know. Hold on. It's just so different that right off the bat I'm like, no. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. So first I'm going to add a little bit of, this looks crazy. I just hate when like the wig cap shows through the lace. But first we're gonna add a little bit of makeup to the lace so it can blend with our skin. I'll also probably put some concealer down the part because I see that's what people be doing if you can't see the part as clear as you want. So that's probably what I'm gonna do as well. I'm also gonna crisscross these straps in the back. Okay. Let's brush it out. And I'm gonna keep the hair like forward because we're not gonna have any of my edges out. So we need to keep it covering the edges. So this is a body wave texture. It has been air drying and it's pretty straight, so it's like not any wave really in the hair. If you were looking for something that had some waves to it. So okay, I'm trying to see if this is right. Okay, so y'all can see my hair over here, so we're gonna keep it straight down like that. Okay, so I'm gonna use some hairspray and spray the lace down right here just so it doesn't go anywhere. Just right there so it stays tacked down. And it's right here too. Just so it doesn't move around. Yeah, we're gonna do this for a little while, maybe like 10 minutes. I should have lightened my eyebrows. That probably would have made this look a little better. But trying colored hair is scary. That's why I stay away from it. Or like, I like to do a color that's a little safe. This one is a little, it's got a lot going on, and that's scary.
Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. 'Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. 'Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, 'cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Stop doing what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady?
Okay, so this is what the hair looks like all curled up. It's so different. I feel like I should darken the roots maybe. Add more layers for sure so it could be a lot more texture at the top and a little more fluffy since none of our edges can be out. It curled really easily, really nice texture of hair. I think this is 250% density. Not 100% sure, but I will have all of the specs on this hair from Ashimary down below. But here's what we look like from the back. She's cute, she's different. I want to go more blonde. I want more color. So y'all probably are going to see more colored wigs. Maybe if I'm not too scared, because this is scary. But yeah, this is the hair from Ashimary Hair. I'll be sure to list all of the details down below for you guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was like something fun and different because it's not black. or burgundy. But yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.